Ever worked a long shift, checked your DailyPay app to snag some of that earned cash, only to be met with a frustrating error message? You're not alone. DailyPay is a fantastic tool for managing your finances and accessing your earned wages before payday. But sometimes it can feel like that access gets blocked for seemingly no reason. So what gives? Why won't DailyPay let you transfer your money? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the most common reasons behind failed DailyPay transfers and how to get that cash flowing again. Reason number 1, debit card blues. Let's face it, your debit card is the key to that instant transfer. DailyPay relies on it to deposit your hard-earned money. But there can be a few hitches with your debit card that can stall a transfer. Card woes. First things first, is your card even active? Lost or stolen cards get deactivated for security reasons. Check with your bank to make sure your card is good to go. Information overload. Did you recently get a new debit card? Did you update your DailyPay app with the new card information? A mismatch between the card details in the app and your actual card can cause transfer failures. Double-check those numbers. Card lock blues. Banks sometimes lock your card if they suspect suspicious activity. Entering the wrong PIN 3 times in a row can trigger this. Resolve the lock with your bank and get those transfers flowing again. Reason number 2. DailyPay's side of the story. DailyPay isn't perfect, and sometimes technical glitches on their end can prevent transfers. Here's what to do. App issues. Have you updated the DailyPay app recently? Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues. Head to the App Store and make sure you're running the latest version. Server shenanigans. Technical difficulties can happen on DailyPay's side too. Check their social media pages or website for any service disruptions. If they're experiencing issues, waiting it out might be your best bet. Reason number 3. The not-so-obvious culprits. There are a few other sneaky reasons why your transfer might be stuck. Insufficient funds. This might seem obvious, but have you checked your available DailyPay balance? Transfers can only happen if you have enough earned wages to cover the amount. Transfer limits. DailyPay has transfer limits in place. These vary depending on your employer and your account setup. Check the DailyPay app or their website to see what your limits are. Bank approval needed. In some rare cases, your bank might need to approve DailyPay transfers before they go through. Contact your bank to see if this applies to you. Dealing with the frustration. Let's be honest. A failed transfer can be a real pain. But before you throw your phone in frustration, here are some tips. Error messages are your friend. DailyPay usually provides error messages that can pinpoint the exact reason for the failed transfer. Read them carefully, they might give you the key to resolving the issue quickly. Contact DailyPay support. If you're stuck, DailyPay has a customer support team ready to help. Reach out through the app or their website and explain your situation. Patience is a virtue. Technical issues and troubleshooting can take time. Don't panic. Give it a little time and try the transfer again later. Remember, DailyPay is a great tool, but it's not magic. By understanding these common reasons for failed transfers, you can keep your hard-earned cash flowing freely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.